Yo.
Oh shit. I got you. I'll come get you. We ain't recording right now, are we? I think I might buy that garage down by the strip. You know it, Josh? Can you stance the Phoenix? Oh, that's right. I gotta find a new one. This one's got bulletproofs. Fuck!
Oh.
There's fucking nothing.
Use the sniper. Oh.
Alright, Alex. When it happens. Hop in my ride, bro. You want me to get my hood open? Or is it even, is the underneath the hood of the Corvette even look good? I don't want to fuck it up if it ain't.
Oh, I'm checking the map, gonna see where her buddy went. Where do we go then? Okay, we're down by LSI, huh? Right, we're over at LSI. Shut up, Alex. Maddie, shut up.
Check out the fucking halo lights on that fucking Corvette. That's dope.
God, she sounds like a squirrel. Any type of talk I know how to talk, Maddie. Shut up.
What are you in, Josh? You driving an LG? Really? What are them two big ass fucking turbos on there? There's supposedly a way to get this deal, but it takes fucking a dick here. It takes like an hour of hitting B and A together.
Nice
Thanks
one.
for hitting my fucking car, you goddamn non-driving piece of shit Chinese eating motherfucker.
That's awesome.
He pulled a gun on him. No guns. every hood.
I'll set your chat to all that thing.
What? I'm in a blue Corvette. Midnight blue.
I kind of want to be last.
I'm stopping at the end of the driveway, so you guys know.
Careful, man.
There will be a
Watch
stop.
yourself. Yeah, that might be better if you form rows, so everybody's not like right next to each other, right behind each other. I don't trust y'all enough to park like that.
Yeah, that's what you already say. I see him moving now. That's a true biker right there. You know he rides the real.
Right lane, go for it. Left lane will follow.
Man, I wish I had a camera too.
It's so funny. Ever since the latest patch, like you can hear your bottom scraping with the lower. It's so funny. Everything I do, like go over.
I wonder why they kept us from being able to do that. Like, they're like, no, you can't have your car look cool. Like, it's the way we make it or no way at all.
I don't know. I think it's got something to do with Rockstar's way to be ironic, because with and stuff that they made it look almost cool, but they're still dorky no matter what you do to them. Like they still have some, you know, axis of hey, they're never gonna look cool because light is not gonna be there. That's what I think Rockstar went for in the whole game.
Right at the light before the tracks.
I'm gonna just keep it at that far all the way. I'm not gonna put the speed up and keep up the gas. They have fun. Okay, LG, you need to stop going full throttle because
We
you're gonna cause some
are
serious damage on
coming
that.
up. We need to take a left right here at the light. Okay, down there. Yeah, we're taking a left at the light. It's going to my shot.
There we go, last. That's what I wanted. You can screw me up now.
Fuck, I just lagged hard there.
No problem. Hey, ain't nobody hit me one time. I got this guy up here on the bike. He's stopping traffic for me, and then I got this guy behind me. He's staying pretty smooth. It's been all good. Well, we're underneath of an overpass right now.
Come on, green car, move, damn it. Be somewhere, but don't be off the top.
Matt, tell me something. Does smoking make you look cool? Oh my god, this guy's got fucking beer can hat. My hat's off to you, dude. It's all good. need 2 hands to fucking race anybody. Bullshit, your character says otherwise. And then this guy's just like, oh my god, I'm fucked up. Fuck the P's and Q's, man, they're fucking nerds, alright? This just turns into a fucking munchie party. Everyone gets fucking munchies, man. No, maybe you just stand there, you're like, you're gonna take it. That's just fantasy 4 videos, not so scammy. Yeah, you see, why you say dog? I'll need to get too fucked up, everybody start to get a little classy. I'll be... Yeah, see your character even says no, he's like, no, I'm fucking good, man. You see, he's like, I ain't trying to pick the word, I'll be just fine. That's what you do. I used to not smoke or drink at all, and I tried to drink once, and he would not. Like, I tried like 10 times, and he would not drink at all. So you just quit walking on the car.
Man, a lot of us need AA. Of course there's damage to my fucking
Guys,
Watch out, Carbonizer, you're in the way.
Hear me?
George Flores.
Pull out of here in reverse, Meryl. We're gonna have some problems. I don't want you anywhere near my car.
Okay, let's take advantages of as much fucking nice weather here as possible. Need a flagger? Well, looks like he got the shitty end of that deal. Salute, right?
I knew that was coming. Can I just borrow your motorcycle and you call it back to you? No.
Oh shit. I was hoping to do that a little bit.
Oh, you're gonna
faster,
kill
but
us.
Whatever. Are you fucking serious? Oh my god, buddy.
What the fuck? Oh no, never mind. Take me back there. I guess he has his own, maybe. 'Cause mine said about 5 minutes. It should be perfect. It looks like it's lining up.
Wait, what?
He didn't go. He was sleeping like a motherfucker.
Yeah, I win.
A bit of a fender bender halfway down the drag. It was not my fault. No matter what my insurance company said.
I'm gonna play walkie-talkie here so that you guys know when cars are coming.
Yeah, whatever. What? I'll fix this stuff around the house. I don't know.
Car coming.
There's an AI coming.
Like there's an asshole approaching.
Get out of his way, he's gonna smash you. Oh, that's great.
Oh.
Hey Josh, let me take
that
your
bike's
LG down the
running,
strip.
fuck.
Let me take your LG down the strip.
Yo, I say no one should race just in case my car
Lock.
slides on
First passengers only.
Okay, cool. My car spawned. No, I'm not.
We race
going
at,
to. Fuck off.
fuck it, I'll race whatever, it don't matter.
Are you fucking kidding me? There's a goddamn gang attack. This place is too heated. No, but there's not gangs where I come from.
I don't see no gang.
Fucking gay.
Is that really a civilian standing there just staring at that motorcycle like, oh my god, look at it?
Or she's tripping balls on ass and just be like, it's so beautiful.
She is tripping, look at her.
Oh shit, you motherfucking jumping.
Blades out on him.
Oh hell yeah, there we go. No, he's pulling!
Yeah,
And he's got a
he's up
passenger,
top.
what the hell? Yep.
I was up or thanks Jimmy. I'm good. Who's blowing? I heard it in the mic, I don't hear it on mine.
There's like, y'all are a motherfucking bunch of pricks, you won't move.
He couldn't catch it. Oh,
Oh
he couldn't
fuck,
catch
a
me.
fucking fusillade. These things haul ass.
I guess traffic picks up more in the daytime, dude. Cause there's all kinds of cars now. We can head somewhere else if you want.
Oh, look out, look out, look out.
It's definitely only a nighttime.
Yeah! There's money on the ground and I'm a Jew. Pick it up. Not literally, I'm just a fucking broke ass motherfucker in this game. Oh shit. The nearby police department did not like the sound of that explosion.
Right up here. Oh, lost it. Damn. We're going to the fucking mod. Damn, I lost that. Fucking face funny.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna win this or not. Oh damn, I missed that shit. Oh, fuck. Woo! Okay, enough of this shit. No more Mr. Nice Guy.
Now we're bringing out sports classics. We're getting desperate. Getting Yeah, it's free.
Hey man, I dropped on this.
Damn. Oh damn, I'm gonna make short work of this fucking god.
Dang.
Yo, Gauntlet, you're way over the line though, dude. Hold up. The Banshee might get it. Just a heads up, there's no turbo in this thing either. Yo, what the fuck? Where'd this obey come from?
Jazz hands real
Are
quick.
you serious? That obey completely fucked up that race. Thanks, asshole. Yo, I'm gonna slow this thing down. There we go. I guess I'll raise the comment. Oh! Come on, baby. There we go. Now start pulling. Oh, half a car. He's pulling. He's pulling. That's like heads up. Holy shit. I got you, bro. Woo! Oh, hell no, Corvette. Ooh! Oh! No! No!
Bye bye.
Oh, you ass. It's not bad enough the fact that it's close, but you gotta rub it in and be like, bye bye. Oh, am I gonna beat him on the way back? Nope.
Bye bye.
This thing's just fucking granny slap. Oh shit. I want a rematch. Was not redeemed. Whoa! Whoa! That dude's got balls.
What the hell you got in that thing? What is it?
Note to self, next upgrade, fucking turbo. Just gonna wait. I'm gonna squeeze into this race. see this in the video. This may be epic. Alright, start pulling, start pulling, start pulling, start pulling! Use the power of the horn! God damn it! Fuck! Leave that fucking car. Oh, rematch, huh? Alright. Gonna get my tires all warmed up. Oh, hell no. Staying Life brought out is fucking bullshit. Put a brand new sport suspension in this motherfucker. If this gets shit done.
Motherfucker got out though.
Go! Baby, go, 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 go! Oh, goddamn, he's pulling already, son of a bitch! Fuck.
Got it.
By like what? A fucking fender? Jesus Christ. God damn, that Corvette's making me sweat. Holy shit. That's a good fucking race.
I didn't get out that good, so we need to run that back.
And go.
I think I've run one every race. Baker's still got.
Ooh, here we go. This'll be a good race. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Holy shit, this thing's hanging in with me. Holy fuck. And I still pulled it. Could have bought this fucking car a long time ago.
Oh boy. I want that boy to win. Get him! Get him! I think you get him.
Yo, Mac, can I have a rematch against your elite?
But he gave me 750,000, and what I did was 250,000 payments right there and made $1,000,000.2. I still got 1 point.
Yo, I want to race that fucking elite. That thing's like, that thing's damn fast.
I had like 1.5. Right?
Not to mention it's got a passenger, so this may be even better.
Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't.
Oh god.
Put his name in as well.
Oh, I'm so surprised my bike's never flown away to the mountain.
Coming back. I'm coming back. Oh, shit. Whew. Holy. Banshee's got a hell of a launch. Millimeter. I don't know what I think when I see fucking blue blade. Power of blue. It's fucking blue as hell.
I knew Josh was getting ready to get the chase game on it. I didn't want to fucking weak ass shot.
There you go.
Why did he only put him up so fast?
Uh-oh, thanks for blocking out the street there. Like, is it normal for big dump trucks to come down this road? You don't need to use the glass. Yeah, I'm moving. That way you can get in there a little further. Yep, it's on the flag. I got two. Is that where you want me at? What the fuck did I just do? Nothing. What the fuck? Are you serious? Bullshit. Nose to nose. That was absolute bullshit. This never happened. Damn, that car's getting ready to blow up. Oh, fuck. Dude, you ran over it and set it on fire. It's fucking crazy. Yeah, I'm trying to move down so don't kill me. I'm a dead guy. Alright, we're good now. Yeah, you ran over it, dog, and just fucking set it on fire. It was all mad. Oh, God. You want me to listen? It's just a huge clusterfuck now. Okay, now let's see if I can race someone without the disturbation of fucking cars. I'm not sure if that's the right vocabulary, but I do not give a fuck at this point. And ammo dead. Nice. What? I just turned my lights off, so we're gonna go lights, brights off. Okay. Alright, that should have us set up for now. Get on. Ready? And there is, yep. Yeah, looks like it's gonna work out pretty good. I saw you leave, like, oh, you went way too far. Oh, you're going over. Oh my god, this is glorious. Perfect. Come on, man, race. God damn, why you got his arm? I'm about to pull your shit up. Just pulled it out of the fucking ground. There's money on the ground. Good match. I forgot to fucking drive. I've been so surprised my Banshee did not blow up. I don't want to know that bounty, didn't you, you cheap little bastard? What did you say, motherfucker? What'd you say? Your mic was cutting out. Get in fucking mic. You're laughing like a little bitch. What'd you say? I said, obviously, you just wanted the bounty, you cheap bastard. The bounty? Oh, yeah. Because I ain't got no money at all. You don't record that, you must not. Okay, I'm in a blaze.